Hey, you're there. Hi there. This is Tony Lemon for the Pageant Minute. Anything about pageantry in just 1 minute. So right now, the Philippines is sending three representatives to the competition. One is Kirk Bondad for the Mr. International. The second one is Anne Patricia for Miss International Queen. And of course, the one that just left from the airport, fresh na fresh news, is competing for Miss Globe. That is Annabelle McDonald. So good luck to the three of them. And I think one of them is going to win the crown. And of course, we'll put some grades onto it. What's the possibility that they're going to win? Right now, this is the start of my vacation. I'll be off for about, I think, mga 3 weeks from starting Monday up to October 8th, which is my birthday. I'm going to a very, very special place. It's one of my bucket lists, and I will tell you later and do a blog about it. Let's talk about Kirk Bundat. I think the possibility, I'll give him a grade as to what I feel, and based on what I see right now in his competition, will be about 95%. 95% that he's going to win for this competition. I saw the difference right now in his styling, in his mannerism. He's more gentlemanly, as I said. If he could be just like acting like James Bond, very gentleman, very mature, very very hi there, very may mga daddy na dumadaan. Possibility that is going to win, I'll give him 95%. Next is Miss Annabelle McDonald, Miss Globe, represented by where she won Binibining Pilipinas. She was also Miss Charm, first runner-up, I think, in 2023, and she really did a good job. I thought she was gonna win for that. The only problem with our queens is their training is so perfect, perfect in everything, even for the Q&A question and answer portion. It's like they losing their personality, their authenticity as a person when they answer. Perfect lagi, parang sila Pauline. I mean, when they answer a question, it is so perfect that they lose their character. So it seems like so uneducated answer, a memorized answer. So I think that's one of the problems now with the Philippine representatives. It seems that the answers is coming from the heart. For Annabelle McDonald, I will give her a grade of 90, the possibility that she might win. Because as of right now, I don't know her competitors. Next will be Anne Patricia. Anne Patricia, of course, was the winner of MIQ Philippine Edition. And I give her a grade of 85, possible that she might win. Still possible because we don't know what her powers are. And the fact that she won with a very competitive group at the MIQ Philippines, there has to be a reason, a certain character, a certain, a certain personality. That's why she won. Persistence, I know. Consistency, I know. And what I like about Anne Patricia is para siyang babae. No? Lumalaban siya para siyang babae. But the question is that the character that they're looking for in MIQ? Because I noticed talagang mas mukhang trans ang hinahanap nila. Not to become like a woman, but more of representation of trans. Except siguro for some winners na mukhang babae, like Fuchsia Rivera. Was it Fuchsia Rivera ba yun? From the Philippines. So siya talagang mukhang babae. And good luck to all of them. So for Anne Patricia, I gave her 85, 90 for Annabelle McDonald, and a 95 grade for Kirk Bundat. Good luck, everybody. I hope everybody wins. I hope I am wrong, and I hope they have a grade of 100%. I am now here in Pachanga Casino Hotel for about 3 days. Then after this, I'm going to LAX Airport and leave for Germany. Okay, bye. Hope to see you soon.